To enable or disable Do Not Disturb on a Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, what you can do is you can, for example, open the settings, then over here we can scroll down a little bit and you should be able to go to sound and vibration, and then in here we have Do Not Disturb, where we can easily enable or disable that option. What you can also do is you can go to the control center or quick settings, and you can add the DND button to this list of shortcuts. But you have to tap on edit at the bottom of the control center first, and then in here in system toggles we need to find DND, which is this moon icon. Then over here tap on this check in the upper right corner, and now we can use this button to enable or disable DND. You can also press and hold your finger on the volume slider in here to find a similar DND button, which we can easily activate or deactivate. And last but not least, you can press volume up or volume down to open the media volume slider. And at the bottom of it, below it, we have this moon icon as well, which allows us to activate or deactivate DND mode. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.